Cursor AI is an AI-powered code editor that helps you write, understand, and fix code faster. It looks like a normal code editor, but it comes with built-in AI that works like your personal coding assistant. With Cursor AI, you simply type what you want. For example, you can say, "Create a login page using HTML and CSS," and it will instantly generate the code for you. You can also ask it to explain code, fix errors, or improve your existing project. It understands your entire code base, not just one file, which makes it extremely powerful. Some of its best features include AI code generation, smart autocomplete, bug fixing, and full project understanding. It's basically like having an AI developer working with you. For example, if you type, "Build a simple calculator app," Cursor AI will generate a complete working solution in seconds. However, it's not magic. You still need basic coding knowledge to fully understand and use the code properly. Cursor AI is changing the way developers write code and making programming faster than ever before. If you want to stay updated with the latest AI tools and tech, subscribe AI Digital Tech.